We're here at Columbia Ford Kia 234 Route 6 in Columbia, Connecticut to review the 2010 Volkswagen CC Sport Edition. This evening we can do a little bit of a review of the car, give you an exhaust clip, drive it around the lot a little bit. It's dark, but we'll make do with what we have. So there you have it, a 2010 Volkswagen CC. Let's begin. We can begin the tour by noting how well the 10-spoke 17-inch wheels complement the brown paint. At 3,300 pounds, it's on the smaller spectrum of the large sedan market. Here we have a chrome grille up front, power telescoping and heated mirrors. Let's take a look at its 2-liter engine. This fuel-sipping 4-cylinder has 200 horsepower and 207 foot-pounds of torque, equipped with front-wheel drive and McPherson suspension. And the best part of all, yes, ladies and gentlemen, it's a 6-speed. So let's start it up. Comfortable interior. Simple enough to start. You just simply press the button with the key fob and it starts up. Let's give it a few revs. So now that we've gotten a close look at the performance and exterior standards of the CC, let's check out the interior, shall we? Really nice styling cue includes the rear doors, how far they cut in. It's a nice pointy edge done by Volkswagen. It really sets the car off nicely. Speakers throughout, lock and unlock, power of course, automatic windows, going up and down. It's a nice feature in the back. Not many American cars have that option. Rear bucket seats. This one's got room for 4. With a center console, cup holders for all your stuff. Here you can access the trunk. It's hard to see right now, but there is access while you're in the cab. Rear climate vents, all controlled from the front. Let's go up there. Once again, you get your power windows, power locks up here. Same thing with automatic. Front bucket seats. They almost resemble Recaro. They're full leather, perforated leather. You get in here, heated seats. Turn it on this way. You can adjust the temperature. This is a really gorgeous ride. And here we get to our control center. As always, we have the power windows, only you can control 4 up here. Power locks as always, power telescoping mirror. You can turn on the heat for that. Open up the trunk, which we will do in a minute. I'd like to show you a couple things up here first. Premium GPS navigation with satellite radio options. It's not yet activated. This is a pre-owned car here at Columbia Ford. Has AM/FM, of course, media inputs, so you can put in your CDs, SD cards, or even your iPod into the auxiliary inputs. I'm sure you can save it into your jukebox. You can choose from all the media settings here, whichever you prefer the most. Now down here, we have climate controls. It's very straightforward. Volkswagen doesn't get too elaborate with these. However, it's very easy to toggle through. As always, steering wheel controls, adjust the volume, use your telephone, or simply adjust whatever you'd like to listen to on the radio. It's pretty cool here. We'll see when we drive this how fast we go. Of course, the temperature, direction, time, as well as the miles, odometer, and the trip values. I'm sure you can also access the fuel economy, and there's your fuel gauge, all in one easy to look at, easy to read setting. That doesn't allow you to take your eyes off the road for a very long time. Another neat feature I found with the 6-speed is that, unlike traditional automobiles, you don't find an e-brake anywhere in the center console or underneath the steering wheel anywhere. Instead, it's right here on the side of the lights. You simply press in the brake on the bottom, hit that, and hit it again if you want it. So it's a very straightforward, very technologically advanced interior. Not to mention a very versatile, very spacious back seat. And speaking of space, let's pop the trunk. It opens for you so you don't have to deal with the annoying task of opening it with your hands. We all know how frustrating that can be with groceries and whatnot. You have your storage compartment in here. Again, I apologize for the poor visibility. However, I think we're doing pretty well with this. Very spacious back seat. You can fit really anything you need to back here that's a reasonable size that you'd expect to fit in a mid-size sedan such as the CC. So now we're at my favorite part of every one of our reviews, the part where we get to drive around the lot and I get to talk a little bit more about how great the car is. The CC is a great vehicle. It's here at Columbia Ford Kia, and if you see me having fun in the test drive and you'd like to schedule one, we'd love to help you out. Let's check it out. Okay, so we're in the 6-speed Volkswagen CC. It's a 2010 front-wheel drive with a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty. It's a pre-owned car, but hey, it's so nice, so we decided to review it. So, if you have any questions about the CC or any other vehicle on our lot, feel free to give us a call. 860-228-AUTO is the number to dial. Also, we're online, www.columbiaford.com. We're also a Kia dealer, and columbiaford.com is the domain for both Ford and Kia at our dealership. So, check it out. Also, like us on Facebook. We're always giving a ton of stuff away to people in contests on Facebook, so I'm sure you'll enjoy it. This car is just a breeze to drive, really. I mean, I'm not one to really pick either automatic or manual. Manual is fun, but if you're one of those people who have not had the opportunity to learn to drive a standard, this is probably your best bet if you actually have a desire to learn. It's the most smooth shifting standard transmission automobile I've ever driven. And it's just really simple, really nice to drive, very good handling, responsive power, everything you'd look for in a mid-size sedan. It's really got a sports car appeal, to be honest with you. And really, you can't go wrong with the CC. So again, contact the dealership with any questions. This is Toph the Demo Dude. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good one.